Hold on tight, because the Yamaha Tenere 900 2025 is not just a bike, it's an adventure waiting to happen. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. If you're a true adventurer who lives for off-road challenges, rugged terrains, and the freedom of exploration, you're in for a real treat today. We're about to dive deep into the highly anticipated Yamaha Tenere 900 2025, a bike designed to conquer every trail and every road you can throw at it. Yamaha has redefined the adventure bike category once again, and trust me, this machine is a game changer. Let's explore what makes this beast so special. Adventure-ready powertrain. The 2025 Yamaha Tenere 900 is powered by an all-new 890 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, delivering impressive power and torque that's perfectly tuned for adventure enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling rocky mountain paths, mud-filled trails, or open highways, this bike is built to handle it all with ease. Yamaha has engineered this engine for a seamless power delivery, making it not only responsive but also incredibly smooth when you need it the most. Expect plenty of low-end grunt for those tricky off-road situations, and enough top-end power to keep you flying on the highways. Off-road mastery and suspension. When it comes to an adventure bike, nothing is more important than handling, and the Yamaha Tenere 900 absolutely excels here. With a fully adjustable long-travel suspension, this bike is designed to absorb the harshest bumps and obstacles while keeping you in full control. The 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear wheel combination make it capable of tackling sand, gravel, or mud, and the updated suspension components give you more confidence on rugged terrain. Whether you're on a deep forest trail or a rocky hillside, this bike's stability and comfort will leave you amazed. State-of-the-art electronics. The Tenere 900 isn't just about raw power and handling, it's loaded with high-tech features that will enhance your ride. With the latest ride-by-wire throttle system, you can expect ultra-smooth throttle response, while the updated traction control system ensures you stay in control no matter what kind of terrain you're riding on. Yamaha has also integrated multiple ride modes: adventure, enduro, and street, so you can switch between settings to optimize performance for every environment. Not to mention, the large, easy-to-read TFT display keeps you informed about everything from navigation to bike diagnostics, so you never miss a beat. Durability and design. One of the standout features of the 2025 Tenere 900 is its rugged build and aggressive design. Built for adventure, this bike is engineered with a steel frame that's both lightweight and incredibly durable. The bodywork is designed to handle the elements with a tough finish that protects against dirt, mud, and scratches. Plus, the ergonomics are perfect for long-distance touring, providing comfort no matter how many hours you're on the road. Whether you're riding through deserts or forests, the Tenere 900's design ensures it's ready for anything. Fuel efficiency for long adventures. The Yamaha Tenere 900 is not just about performance. It's about making sure your adventure doesn't end too soon. With an efficient 23-litre fuel tank and a solid fuel economy, you can travel for hours without worrying about frequent refueling stops. Whether you're exploring remote backroads or taking a cross-country trek, the Tenere 900 is built to keep you going for the long haul. Why the Tenere 900 2025 will be your ultimate adventure bike. What sets the Tenere 900 apart from the competition? It's the perfect balance of power, versatility, and technology. Yamaha has nailed it by offering a bike that's just as comfortable on a dirt trail as it is on the open road. From its engine to its suspension, electronics, and design, the Tenere 900 is an adventure rider's dream come true. If you're looking for a bike that can take you on epic adventures, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 900 is the ultimate companion. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting your off-road journey, this bike has something for everyone. Conclusion. So, are you ready to take your adventures to the next level with the Yamaha Tenere 900 2025? Whether you're looking to conquer new trails, travel across the globe, or simply explore the open road, this bike is the perfect tool to make those dreams a reality. Drop a comment below and tell us what excites you most about this bike. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things motorcycles from Biker's Choice. Until next time, keep exploring and ride safe. What do you think? Would you want to hit the trails on this beast? Let me know if you need any adjustments.